To embroider the sword stitch, start with a diagonal straight stitch. Then take the needle back to the surface at the same height and pass the needle under the stitch. Adjust the length of the sword and push the needle back to the surface. Your first sword stitch is done. Make as many stitches as you wish to make powdered filling, or position them in the row to make a decorative band. On the reverse side of the fabric you will see a lot of jumping threads between the stitches.